Acura celebrates 40 years in US with original engine Integra race car. Acura is marking its 40th anniversary in the American market with a tribute to its racing heritage. A meticulously rebuilt first-generation Integra race car. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. The car retains its original 1.6-liter D16A1 engine, a nod to the brand's roots, while benefiting from modern performance enhancements. This move highlights Acura's commitment to both its history and ongoing innovation in motorsport. Celebrating 4 decades of Acura in America, Acura first entered the U.S. market on March 27, 1986, with the Legend and the Integra. The new tribute car pays homage to the Integra's early racing days, built by Honda Racing Corporation US. The project isn't simply about nostalgia. It demonstrates Acura's dedication to a legacy of performance. The launch of Acura as the first Japanese luxury brand in the US set a precedent, followed by iconic vehicles like the NSX. Performance upgrades with a classic heart under the hood. The rebuilt D16A1 engine, originally producing 113 horsepower, remains the centerpiece. To improve performance, Acura added a monsoon ECU, a coil-on plug conversion, a stainless long-tube header, and a custom Boral exhaust system. A Torsen-type limited-slip differential and tie-in coilovers further enhance handling. The car also features a manual steering rack and upgraded brakes with Carbotech pads and stainless braided lines. Stripped for speed, the interior is track-focused, with a custom Blackbird Fabworks roll cage, OMP racing seats, and 6-point endurance harnesses. The exterior is finished in Rio red metallic paint, with Mugen 14-inch wheels wrapped in Yokohama ADVAN A050 semi-slick tires. These modifications signal that the car is not merely a showpiece, but a functional racing machine. On display at Long Beach, the Acura Integra 40 Racer will make its public debut at the 51st Acura Grand Prix of Long Beach from April 17-19. This appearance underlines Acura's ongoing involvement in motorsport and its commitment to engaging fans. The event serves as a platform to showcase the brand's past, present, and future performance capabilities. Acura's 40th anniversary tribute is more than just a nostalgic gesture. It's a statement about the brand's enduring legacy and dedication to performance engineering. The original engine combined with modern upgrades makes this car a compelling symbol of Acura's journey in the U.S. automotive landscape.